starting off with applying my moisturizer. This is my Patanjali beauty cream, which works both as a moisturizer as well as a primer for me. Then I'm using this Fit Me foundation from Maybelline of the shade 230 Natural Buff. I don't really like using foundation during daytime, so I'll just apply this to hide my dark circles and blemishes on cheeks and forehead. With this beauty blender, I'll start dabbing the foundation onto the face. Always dab your blender or brush to blend the foundation and never rub the foundation on your face. And now comes the concealer. I got this concealer pen from a Miniso store. The shade of this is 02 Nude. I'll apply a straight line on my nose, as you can see, and on my eyelids. Now I'll blend over the concealer of my eyelids with the same blender. When blending away the nose, you have to keep in mind that you have to blend the concealer of nose in a straight line and not all over the place. Now I'm using a contour stick of Mars. I'll draw two lines on the side of my nose. And then merge it down on the tip. I'll contour my cheekbones and my forehead really light since I'm going on a daytime. So I don't want my makeup to be really heavy. For doing my eyebrows, first off I'll start with brushing both the brows to align the hair. Then I'm using this brow powder from Swiss Beauty. And this brush which comes along with the product. I'll start doing my eyebrows by drawing a straight line which will extend my eyebrows and make it look a bit longer, and then fill up the empty spaces. Make sure to avoid using any kind of powder on the inside edge of the eyebrows, because if you do, it will make your eyebrows look really unnatural. So avoid making that mistake. Brush it once again. I'll quickly do my other eyebrow, and here it is. For eyeshadows, I'll be using this Sugar Mini Blush of the shade Salmon Superstar. I'll dab into it the brush and draw a thin layer of this color. Not too dark, just a light shade. Don't forget to do your lower lash line as well. Then I'll be using this brush and having some pink color on it of a Hilary Rhoda palette. I'll only do my corners of the eyes, which are the tear duct. Just to have a pink shade on the inner side of my eye. Same on the other eye, and it's done. Now a palette from Prefix which has all the glittery colors or shimmery colors. I'll have the pink color on the same brush. And highlight my inner corners of the eye where I put the pink shade of Hilary Rhoda palette. So it's just that instead of the highlighter, I'm using this shimmery shade of eyeshadow on the tear ducts of my eyes. Now the highlighting part, I'll be using this bronze shade, having it on a brush. I'll again draw a straight line on my nose. And with the same brush, without dabbing it once again in the highlighter, I'll just rub my eyebrow bones and my cheekbones a bit. Because it's a daytime, I don't want my skin and face to look really sweaty, so I'll be using only a little highlighter. Merge the lines nicely so it isn't visible in sun. Now taking a sponge brush, I'll dip it into the same shade of highlighter and only apply it on the middle part of my eyelids. This will make your eyes look bigger. Make a small wing in the inner corner of your eye as well, which will face downwards. The mascara I'm using here is from WOW. do not forget to do your lower lashes as well. Then comes the lips. For lips I am using this Lakme Absolute lipstick, which is of the shade 302 Soft Nude. I'll just line the inner parts of my lips, and with this Matte Me lip color of the shade 427, I'll outline my lips. Then with a lip liner of the same shades, I will merge both the products together on my lips. Like the video if you liked it and subscribe to the channel to stay connected. Bye.